Good morning, Year 3, and welcome back. This is Maths Lesson 13, and we are learning how to add fractions. Let's start by warming up our maths brains. Pause the video and have a go at these 4 questions. Let's check our answers. 1/4 shaded is the same as 2/8 shaded. If we have bar model here, 400 is split into 5 equal parts of 80. 3 of those parts would be 240, leaving 160 metres to run. Now using place value, 0.3, the 3 is in the tenths column. And again with place value, the 5 is in the hundreds column. 3/5 add 1/5. Rosie says this is easy. 3 and 1 is 4, and 5 and 5 is 10. So the answer is 4/10. But is Rosie correct? The bar models below show 3/5 and 1/5. But we can move the 1/5 across to the 3/5, and what do we have? So moving the 1/5 across, we can see now on the bar model it equals 4/5. It isn't the same as 4/10. Using the part-whole model, we can see 3/5 and 1/5 equals 4/5. So what did Rosie do wrong? Well, she added the numerators, but she also added the denominators. So let's have a look at it this way. If I've got 3 apples, add 1 apple, do I get 4 bananas? No. But if I add 3 apples and 1 apple, I get 4 apples. 3 pennies add 1 penny equals 4 pounds. That doesn't sound right. 3 pennies add 1 penny equals 4 pennies. That's correct. So what we now know is that if we are adding fifths, our answer will be fifths. The denominator stays the same. So here we have 3/5 add 1/5 equaling 4/5. So our original question, 3/5 add 1/5, we were correct. It is 4/5 and Rosie was wrong. Remember, we add the numerators but keep the denominator as the same unit. So now let's look at this question. Eva eats 3/12 of the donuts and Amia eats 4/12 of the donuts. What fraction do they eat altogether? We can see that a whole is equal to 12 of the 12 donuts. Therefore, 1 donut is equal to 1/12. So let's use modelling to show the fractions. Eva ate 3/12 of the donuts, so 3 parts are shaded, and Amia ate 4/12, so 4 parts are shaded. But it asks us to add them all together. So let's put the 4/12 and the 3/12 together. Here you can see Eva and Amia's fractions of donuts that they ate. 3/12 and 4/12 equaled 7/12. And we can show this using a part-whole model. 3/12 and 4/12 equals 7/12. Now it's time to do our tasks. Pause the video on each question while you have a go. Complete the additions in question number 1. Use the bar models to help you. Question number 2. Shade in the circles and complete the additions. Question number 3. Complete the part-whole models. Remember, add the numerators and keep the denominator the same unit. Question number 4. Alex and Huan are eating a cake. Alex eats 4/7 of the cake and Huan eats 2/7 of the cake. What fraction of the cake have they eaten all together? Remember, you can use bar modelling to help you. For question number 5, Teddy is adding fractions. He says 1/4 add 2/4 equals 3/8. Draw a bar model to show that Teddy is wrong. And then for question B, complete the addition 1/4 add 2/4 with the correct answer. So now let's go through the answers. Remember, if you've made any mistakes, please do your corrections. If you enjoyed today's work on adding fractions and want to practice some more, here are some extra questions for you to do. Well done today, Year 3. Remember, email me your work and I will give you some dojos. And remember to stay at home and stay alert. Bye.